Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the starter on this 2017 Hyundai Accent with the 1.6 liter GDI engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. First thing we need to do is unhook our positive battery cable, loosen this 10mm nut right here, and then we can lift our positive battery cable off. Now jack up your vehicle. I'm using this spot as a lift point right here. And make sure you're using a jack stand. Now we're going to remove this 10mm bolt, this 10mm bolt, and this bolt. Now we can bend these splash guards out of our way. Now we are going to remove this plug right here. There's a little tab right here that I'm pushing on. You have to push that in and pull out. Pull this rubber boot back, and there's a 12mm nut right there that we need to take off. Now we can pull this cable off here. Next, we need to remove this 14mm bolt. Leave this bolt just barely screwed in. That'll keep your starter from falling out when you take the top bolt out. Now we're going to remove our intake boot right here. So we're going to loosen this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt. And then we're going to pinch this hose clamp, pull it back, and then wiggle this hose right here off and remove the intake boot. It might be easier for you to pinch this clamp and pull this fitting out instead. The last bolt we need to remove is right down here. You can see it right here on the tip of my finger right here. It's a 14mm bolt. This is the combination I'm using to get in there. I've just got like I think this is a 1.5 inch extension right here. Now use your right hand to come up here and support the starter. Use your left hand to take out that bolt. This starter could be pretty loose, and I don't think it would fall out of here, but just in case you want to grab this with your hand, make sure it doesn't fall on your face. You can get yourself a little bit more room by unplugging this connector right here. I ended up also taking this strap here, cutting this. That way it gave me some more room, and I just came right down through here. And there you go, you've removed your starter. So I will have a new one linked down in the description below that you can get on Amazon if you want to. But at this point, you just put your new one back in the way you took your old one out. So when you have your new starter back up here, get it to where you feel like it slides into place. You can feel it get in there. And then use your other hand to start threading in the lower bolt there. Don't tighten it down, but get it to where it holds the starter up like it should. And then you can feed in your upper bolt up there and then tighten that one down. At that point, you're pretty close to done. Just reattach all your wires here, put your intake boot back on, and put things back together the way you took them apart. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.